Today we're making Annaharvey Farm coconut cookies. So we have flour, sugar and coconut in the bowl, and Celia has just added butter, and we're going to add eggs now in a few minutes. There's 4 eggs here that have been beaten up together, along with 500 grams of melted butter. There is 750 grams of self-raising flour, which is the flour that will rise slightly. And then we have 300 grams of coconut and 500 grams of plain sugar, but you could use brown sugar either. And this just comes into a nice neat bowl. It's ready for making into biscuits when it's sticking together. The mixture is ready now. Okay, so just take a small amount of mixture and rolls it into a bowl and pops it on the tray. And we bake this in the oven for about 10 or 15 minutes at about 180 degrees. Okay, now we have the tray ready to go into the oven. So we have this at gas mark 6 or about 180 degrees if it was electric, and they'll take about 15 minutes. We'll just look in the oven and see how the biscuits are doing. There we go, nice and golden, just the way we like them, and they're a lovely size as well.